So just the thought, true lo yuplaman, chapter 9:33. 1:1, lo yuplay mas liking true Mary lo yupla. To love is to serve. Tingin. To love is to serve and to be ready to give your life for your wife. Hey, that rhymes. Be ready to give your life for your wife. Be ready to give your life for you, lo Mary lo. It's to love. You love him, ma'am. Time you bring him in, lo top from God. You love him, ma'am. Time you bring him in, lo to lo hang top from God. You love him, ma'am. Time you reading top from God, and strong him, ma'am. One time picking lo top from God. You love him, ma'am, because you like ready this lo married to you. He go to place heaven. So you look in Jesus, and you look out in church, and ready bride belong in to go to heaven. You got bride, you ready this the bride, and you can face him Jesus one time that easy. And you love him, ma'am, by you banishing him. You protecting him. Jesus, I mean, protecting him, the power go too dark. Man was protecting Mary, but something go too dark as well. Uncle, there's something goes to the ground, and must doubles the protector, Mary, and you loving Mary, you must protect him, and you must provide him. All this man, when they kiss you Fortnite, or to go to a supermarket, or to go to Pelgins, or want to have an body, want to put a case beer, or no man. They are not man. That's not a man. That is not a man. You kind man will say, you spending money below you the beer, and you know look out your needs for Mary below you. You know man. No, a man and putting needs below Mary below and go past. And Emma look out also. You stop alright? When I'm lick hot money, you stop yet? Me by keeping. But you go past. You make him all send Freddy, and God by honoring this to find Mary. It's true. Some people marry too, only no tiny bell true. So you mean man, you mean just work hard the loving Mary below you mean. You mean man, you work hard the baiting the Mary below you. You must bait the Mary below you almost every day, by the way, and picking. You work hard to make him all sin. But man below you, I mean still taking money below you and spending no bingo. Or man Mary below you, I mean taking money below you and piling this little money. Or man Mary below you, I mean pot kill man below you. Or maybe Mary below you work the ivory slum our man. And you look him kind sin the life below Mary below you. And yet you love him, man. We talking you plaman. Still you must love him Mary below you. You think of Hosea? Time me making some of the passing Gomar and round about the streets. God he talk us and go kiss him man. Bring him and me come back and love him man. Yeah. Because that picture below me now all line below me. All he humbug about, all he sucking talk below me, and yet me pining on. So you man, no can lose him Mary blue hurry up. Suppose I'm no tiny about true. Suppose I'm making passing pambug na like losing you, you can lose him now. But suppose Miriam struggle with simple sins, you get steering him the good plural to hold him in the beat. You kiss him big name, time Mary blue you on a mass, and I'm ready to believe Jesus. Come in, beat.